Hey everyone, today I'm showing off something really cool, my custom built Lego rubber band sniper rifle. This thing actually works and it's got a pretty solid design with a working trigger, scope, and some serious shooting power for a Lego build, of course. I had a blast putting it together and I can't wait to show you how it works. I'll go over the design and of course test it out to see just how accurate it is. If you're into Lego, creative builds, or just launching rubber bands at stuff, you're gonna love this. Let's check it out.
Alright, so this is the mechanism for the gun. I think it's a pretty good and solid mechanism. It's not faulty at all, and it works most of the time. So here we have the trigger. It's tensioned, as you can see, with a rubber band, just so once we press it, it comes back to right where it was. And then we have this. This piece is connected with the trigger, and so once we load a rubber band on, we can kind of push this back to tighten it up. And then, so once we press the trigger, this thing lifts. This will lift, allowing this to go freely to release. So, like this. You press the trigger, that lifts, and the rubber band flies away. The tension of the rubber band carries this forward. So, by lifting this, you can release this. To tighten it, do that. Let's see what's holding it together. So here, I have a really long, I think 14 studs long Technic beam, and then I have two, like 1x2 Technic pieces with one hole in them, and then I have this piece right here, which lashes on. I have this small gear right here that is connected with this piece. They both have Technic axles running through them to stabilize them. Then we have like a notch over here on the front to just like hook the rubber band onto. So then once we pull the trigger, it'll shoot. So that's it for the mechanism. Now, it's a pretty good mechanism, like I said. And I will try to make some adjustments and maybe upload a future video on a semi-automatic gun that's like a different type, so it can shoot multiple at a time, because as you can see, this, you have to load it up after every shot, like this, and then shoot. But I think once I come up with the right mechanism, I'll do it. Okay?
All right, that's a wrap on my Lego Rubber Band sniper rifle. This thing was super fun to build and even more fun to test out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I upgrade it? Build a different type of Lego weapon? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cool builds, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.